Want to mute group notifications on WhatsApp using your iPhone? This helps you avoid constant alerts from busy group chats without leaving them. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can mute WhatsApp group notifications on your iPhone easily. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open up WhatsApp. Tap Chats from below. Press and hold on the specific group name. Next, tap Mute from the pop-up. Next, select the time you want to mute the group, like 8 hours, 1 week, or always. If you select always, don't panic. You can unmute this group anytime. So folks, this is how you can mute groups on WhatsApp notifications on your iPhone. Hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.